Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Land of Haws Studios, where I teach GarageBand, Logic Pro, and all things music production. Today I'm going to show you guys some free compressors by Analog Obsession. Ones I like to use and what I use them on, what they're used for, and also where you can go download them, the right website, you know, how to download and install them. It was a little tricky at first for me, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that today, okay? Without further ado, let's get started. Yeah. Alright guys, today I'm going to show you guys some free compressors by Analog Obsession. I'm going to show you guys the ones that I use the most often and what I like to use them on. And then after that, I'm going to show you guys where to go and find them on their website and download them. Okay, so the first one is the LALA, or the LALA. This is styled after like a LA2A style compressor, which is great for like bass and vocals. That's what I use it on a lot. The next one is the FETISH, which it says in the name. It's basically based after a FET compressor, which is a very fast, aggressive compressor. Great for like kick, snare, drums, that kind of stuff. I will use it on aggressive vocals and bass also. Great compressor. Okay, the next one is the BUSTEre SE, which is a great like mix bus compressor, or like your drum bus. It helps glue everything together. Okay. All right, now I'm going to show you guys where you can go download these bad boys. Okay, let's go to Safari or Google, and let's actually let me find them here. Okay, the first one I'm going to take you to just really quickly is their home page. This is just kind of where you can go find. This is their equalization, their dynamic, this is their compressors and their color and preamp and saturation plugins, their bundles, that kind of stuff. You can I'll leave a link for this. You can come back and check it out when you want. But this is where you might accidentally come and like go, where do I download them? Well, this isn't actually the page. I just wanted to show you, if you do come to this isn't the one, but it will. You can learn more about them here. Okay. So now I'm going to take you to the actual page where you can download them. Okay, so here we are. This is their Patreon, and again, they're completely free, but if you want to give back, you can donate to them. And so where you find their compressors, the links to download them, I should say, the download areas, is Post. Okay, click on Post, and you'll see right here, okay, all download links, okay? Now we're going to hit Show More. So there you can see there is a lot of free plugins here. Okay, here's the LALA. This is the one I showed you first. Great for vocals and bass, and you can just click on Mac installer here or Windows depending on what you're using. Okay, so you can type in them up here, like you can type in BUSTEre SE and find it, LALA. But if you type in FETISH, you're not going to find it up here. You got to actually you got to type in FET bundle or come to FET bundle here. And you click on that, and that'll bring you actually to the bundle page and where it tells about it. And down here is FETISH right here. You can download it right here. The bundle comes with FET drive and FET snap. Again, let's go back to this page, and we'll just type in, see if BUSTEre SE comes in. BUSTEre SE. There you are. Okay, so there it is. Show more. I'm going to go down here, and you can download it at the bottom down here. Okay, so yeah. So again, they have a lot of different plugins that do a lot of different things, and they're all pretty awesome. All right, the next thing is once you've clicked on these, it will pop it up in this little arrow up here, and it'll show the names of them up here. And then if you're using, of course, a Mac, you can click on this bad boy, and it'll bring them up here in your Finder. Then you can right-click and go to Open Installer. Click on Installer, and then from here you just hit Continue. Yes. And once that's done, it'll ask you if you want to throw away the installer. Say yes, and then once you're done with that, basically you just want to restart Logic Pro, GarageBand, or whatever DAW you're using. And then they should be there ready for you to use, basically. Okay, as you can see, they're here in the plugin area. To find them in Analog Obsession, go down to Audio Units, and you'll see them up here. All right, guys, so I will leave the links for both those websites in the description. The one where you can just go check out the different plugins, see what they do. Also, the one where you can actually go download them on the Patreon, okay? Again, if you can give it, do, but they're completely free. But if you can donate, awesome. Also, I just want to let you know that I am changing the name from All Things GarageBand to Land of Haws Studios for my channel, but I'm still going to be teaching GarageBand. I'm also going to be teaching Logic Pro and anything to do with music production, okay? So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe. I'm Jeremy Haws. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Don't do anything I wouldn't do that leaves it wide open. See you guys.